elif in Python, which is a decision-making control statement. In fact, by using this statement, we can empower our PC to take suitable decisions like a clever human being. If elif conditional statement make our PC think like a human being and take suitable decisions under suitable conditions. In this example, you can see that after if the condition is written, the next sentence the actions are given. Value of the variable is dog, and so it will display that it barks. If the value of the variable animal is given cat, then it will display the appropriate message that it will mew. If the animal is dog, then it will display the message it barks. If the animal is cat, then it will display the message it mews. If the animal is tiger, then it will display it roars. But when and which message will be displayed, that will be depend upon the condition given following the if statement. Run this code, it will ask for the value of animal variable. If we give dog, then it will display the appropriate message barks. Looks like the computer is thinking like a human being. It is displaying the correct voice of the animal. Why is it possible? Due to if-elif conditional statement. If statement makes the computer to think like a human being. Now in the same code we are trying to enable our computer to take decisions, in fact appropriate response, not in the form of text but in audio form, so that we can hear the voice of the given animal. By using Pygame module, you can save the voice of the animal in any MP3 file. Okay, here I have saved the voice of the dog file in a dog MP3 file which is under C drive. Play method is used so that the voice of the dog can be returned. In this code, the same conditional statement if-elif has been used. But what the difference is, the response is coming back in the form of audio. It is asking for the value of the animal variable, which is a condition. And the decision will be taken after looking this condition. Value of the animal dog, and the voice of the dog will be returned. We give here the value of the animal as cat, and the voice of the cat will be returned. First of all, I am giving the value as dog. What happens? Look at suitable voice has been returned. Giving the value as donkey. What happens? Again we are executing the code as tiger. Last one is cat. It looks like that our PC is thinking like ourselves and returning the correct voice of the given animal. And it is possible by using if-elif decision making statement, which makes our PC to think like a human. This information is sufficient to understand this keyword. So I have a request to please share and like among your friends, and also subscribe the channel to continue the Python programs. Okay, thank you.